Tree Care Redland Bay. Capalaba Tree Removal offers trusted solutions for tree maintenance across Redland Bay. From expert Tree Care Redland Bay to safe palm tree removal Redland Bay, our experienced arborists deliver professional service tailored to your landscape. Need to manage overgrown branches or improve safety? Our team provides precise tree lopping Redland Bay, ensuring your outdoor space stays clean and hazard-free. We also perform efficient arborist Redland Bay services, helping identify risks before they escalate. Call us today for fast quotes and reliable tree service.